What if your organization could see if your strategy is truly possible, not just on paper, but in practice? That's where Tempus Portfolio comes in. Tempus Portfolio is a strategic portfolio management solution built to help you connect strategy to execution. It's where big picture goals, investments, and initiatives meet the real world constraints of people, skills, and capacity. With Tempus Portfolio, you can plan and track strategies, set and measure OKRs, align portfolio to business goals, and manage the budget at every level of your hierarchy. But here's what makes it different. Unlike other tools, Tempus Portfolio is deeply integrated with resource capacity planning. Because no matter how big the budget or how great the strategy looks, if you don't have the people with the right skills available at the right time, nothing moves forward. According to the PMI, half of strategic initiatives fail because organizations don't have the resources and the capacity to execute. Tempus Portfolio gives you that clarity. It shows you what's possible, what's at risk, and where you need to adjust. That means you're no longer planning in just theory. You are planning with reality in mind. From the boardroom to the project team, everyone gets the insights they need to make confident, timely decisions. Whether that's funding the right initiatives, reallocating resources, or rebalancing portfolios. Tempus Portfolio makes strategy executable. Because when your people and your plans align, anything is possible.